Snake Tray's Mega Snake high-capacity cable tray is pre-configured to eliminate the need to fabricate turns, tees, and crossings. In a side-by-side comparison with a wire basket cable tray, it takes the contractor 65 minutes to create a 90-degree sweep turn and attach it to 2 straight sections. It takes just about 4 minutes to create that same 90-degree turn with Mega Snake. Mega Snake installation is over 90% faster than a traditional wire basket cable tray and does not require any special tools to create the sweep turn. Mega Snake's UL classified splice kit provides the mechanical as well as the electrical bond in each tray connection, eliminating the need for additional electrical jumpers. On a 4-inch deep, 24-inch wide standard wire basket tray, 154 wires must be removed from the structure of the tray in order for the tray to be bent into the desired sweep L. That's over 300 individual cuts. The only tool that is required to add a 90-degree sweep to any size Mega Snake is a 9/16" wrench. After removing all of the wire from the tray, all of those cuts now need to be ground smooth. The National Electric Code requires all sharp edges to be ground smooth. Mega Snake transitions are always code compliant, always simple, and always consistent. Generic basket trays require special connections in each joint in order to connect the sections back together. The National Electric Code also requires jumpers at each of these locations. There is a lot of wasted material that needs to be removed and disposed. With Mega Snake, there is no waste. Mega Snake is the fastest tray in the world to install, and when time is money, we give you all the time in the world. Snake Tray, your complete source for all your cable tray needs.